Visiting the doctor. Getting cold. Sore throat. Stomachache. Fever. Toothache. Backache. Earache. Rash. Fatigue. Allergy. Sneezing. Bruise. Dizziness. Pain. Swelling. Broken arm. Broken leg. Bleeding. Vomiting. Chills. Weakness. Itch. Nausea. Doctor. Nurse. Receptionist. Pharmacist. Dentist. Surgeon. Caregiver. Patient. Eye doctor. Pediatrician. Specialist. Paramedic. Doctor's office. Emergency room. Laboratory. Reception desk. Waiting room. Examination room. Stethoscope. Syringe. Injection. Medicine. Pill. Capsule. Plaster. Crutches. Medical chart. Tongue depressor. Doctor's coat. Patient bed. Prescription. Clipboard. Eye chart. X-ray. Hospital gown. Cast. Blood test tube. Splint. Hearing aid. IV drip. Walker. Oxygen mask. Stretcher. Visit the doctor. Sit down. Open your mouth. Cough. Rest. Check your temperature. Measure blood pressure. Take a test. Write a prescription. Take medicine. Drink water. Look into your ears. Get an injection. Feel better. Put on a bandage. Wash your hands. Wear a mask. Look into your eyes. Lie down. Headache. Give a sample. Go to the hospital. Call the nurse. Help the patient. Hospital. Clinic. Pharmacy. Ambulance. Thermometer. Blood pressure monitor. Bandages. Cotton ball. Alcohol swabs. medical gloves, face mask, pen, scale, first aid kit. Check your heartbeat.